Definitely gonna have to go back and watch that Hamilton set because that was what I wanted to see.
Oh yeah, they sounded great just from that little clip.
Yeah. Well, in other headlines this morning, it's hurricane season. We've talked about that here, and we've also, turns out, had our first so-called ghost hurricane.
Yeah, that's the unofficial name given to a tropical system that regularly appears in a weather model but doesn't really manifest into real life. So that is exactly what happened when a scary looking weather forecast recently showed a hurricane hitting the Gulf Coast later this month. That forecast used the GFS, or American model.
Experts say the GFS is actually known to overpredict tropical storms and hurricanes in longer-term forecasts due to the way it's programmed. Despite that, experts say the GFS still helps forecasters keep an eye on areas where conditions may come together to create a hurricane. And that's one of the models you use, right?
Oh yeah, GFS, the
European model.
Yeah. Hey, very good. Canadian model is good. Oh yeah.
Were y'all worried about that at all?
No. I chuckled when I saw this story because from time to time this happens, you know? And so you've got to use run-to-run consistency. How does the upper level field look?
We'll follow what you say.
I mean, I would have never brought this up if this story hadn't have come
Well,
out.
maybe in case anyone ever hears you or someone else say ghost hurricane, they'll know now, right?
Yeah, but I'll probably never will say that.
Because it's just too preliminary.
Yeah, it's just too preliminary, you know. I mean, if you're a rookie, you may talk about, but I mean, we've been looking.
They're a rookie now.
We had been talking about this because it had been doing run. Matter of fact, the midnight model still shows some kind of hurricane or tropical storm hitting South Texas coast. Again, I would have never mentioned that.
Yeah. You don't want to until it's, valid enough.
Exactly. So.